And with Thanksgiving week, Southern Indiana reporter Elle Smith is taking a look at how long-term care facilities are preparing in the middle of a pandemic.
More than 2,400 Hoosiers have died in long-term care facilities, and with Thanksgiving coming up in 3 days, they're taking the extra precautions to keep everyone safe.
I don't think that it's any higher of a concern now than it was in March because it's been a high alert since day one. I don't think any of us have ever wanted to let our guard down.
Jill Robbins works in a Southern Indiana assisted living facility. She says ahead of the holidays, residents and families will have to weigh their options carefully.
Is this a once-in-a-lifetime situation, a grandchild perhaps they've never met, or is this a family member that, hey, they see them often enough?
Due to the increase in COVID cases, right now the State Department of Health is recommending against residents leaving long-term care facilities for visits and activities.
It's a group housing situation that a resident comes back to. That's what we really want to make sure families and residents understand, that they're not just coming back to an individual apartment, but potentially a spread of 100 or 200 people.
If residents do leave for the holiday, a strict 14-day quarantine will be enforced when they return, but the isolation can have a negative impact. That's why some nursing homes will incorporate virtual games and activities to help residents socialize during the quarantine.
You know, this type of isolation, if we don't provide things during those quarantines and isolations, you can deal with things such as anxiety and depression on a climb, and you don't want to add to an already bad time.
It is crucial for Hoosiers to protect their loved ones and the most vulnerable. The State Health Department is asking for everyone to follow social distancing guidelines for this upcoming holiday. In Southern Indiana, I'm Elle Smith.